If your house is anything like mine, and you've got a pet or 2 or 4, and a bunch of dirty floors in a Roomba, this is a good option to not go broke buying replacement filters for that Roomba. This is a basic 3D printed filter frame that uses a cut piece of a sponge from O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's easy to pull out, rinse off in the sink, throw it down and let it dry, and it's ready to go again. In the description is a link to the Cults 3D website where I have the files listed for sale. For $8, you can print your own and never have to buy another Roomba filter. If you don't have a 3D printer, there's also a link back to my website to purchase filters.